Oscar. I'm with Spark Construction. On my claim number J as in Johnny, C as in Charlie, H as in Henry, 0813001H. I think H as in Henry. Today is June 1st and it's about 80 degrees outside. We just did the front repair. Now we're gonna do a back repair of the rear slope of the house. In order to do that, we're gonna have to do the same thing. This is our damaged shingle. I have it highlighted. I'm gonna have to let go of one here to see which way the shingle goes. After that, I'm gonna have to let go of nail zone 1 and then nail zone 2 because these shingles intertwine. Okay, so to get this repair started, I'm gonna go ahead and let go of the shingle above the damaged shingle to see which way this shingle goes. It could go that way, it could go this way. Our objective is to find which way it goes first, so we're gonna unseal the top one. So we're gonna go ahead and okay, we're gonna have to let go of one more. Okay, so the shingle starts here, so it goes 1, 2, 3. The shingle I just tapped is the one we're changing, so that's why I'm putting the tool on it. We're gonna replace it. In order to do that, now I have to let go of the above nail zone. So we're gonna go ahead and let go of this one, 1, 2, 3, and then this one. Okay, so now we gotta find where our first nail is in the first nail zone. Alright, it's right here. One, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna double check just to make sure it doesn't have an extra nail. Oh, we're good. We're gonna continue on to our second nail zone. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can hear is the granule in this shingle, very brittle. 4. So let's see hopefully this comes out. We got our repair shingle out. So repair shingle, if you can pass me the new shingle please. So you guys can see here as well. Double nail zone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I missed one, 8. Okay. We got our new shingle, same thing, do a comparison. The existing shingle is a bit longer. We're going to continue our repair. There you go. There you guys can see the comparison. I'm going to go ahead and slide it back in. Make sure the surface is good to go. Alright. Put our new shingle in. slide it right in. Start nailing. I'm going to use the back side of the tool now. Put our first nail in. We have to lift the shingle in order to get the nail in there. There's no other way. One. One. Two. Two. Three. Last one. Four. Okay, that's our first nail zone. Moving up to the second nail zone. One. Two. Two. Okay, so we got our nails back in there. I want to go ahead and underline a couple of things that occurred. In order to replace this shingle, we had to let go of the first nail zone and then the second nail zone, because one shingle intertwines with the other for every single shingle on this roof. So what's happening here is, when we're repairing this one, as you guys could see, we're using our tool again, and then the same outcome in the back side of the house. I'm gonna go ahead and take after photos. We have before photos, so you guys can see what's occurring, and you guys let us know what you guys think, and thank you so much.